Here's Davinci Resolve version 17. I'm on the color tab and I blurred out the license plate of that car, and I'm here on the tracker window, that one, and there's a problem. A person comes in front of the car and this selection will go to the right, although there are no keyframes here. So let's drag the playhead to the left. The selection is still there, it's not moving, that's fine, but when the person is there, I don't want to show the license plate of the car, but notice the selection goes to the right, although there are no keyframes here. So it stays on the car and it goes to the right. Like so. So how to get rid of that movement when there are no keyframes? The keyframes were deleted from the three dots and delete keyframes, but there is another thing. Notice these lines are moving, they have different path, and those have to be deleted also, not just the keyframe. So let's just simply make a selection like so. It remains there, and now come to the three dots and clear selected track data. Clear selected track data. Now the lines are horizontal, they are not going up or down. And now if I move this one, the selection will remain in that place. It's not going to the right.